We're going to be playing hide and seek in Ikea. We're going to get lost.
This way.
Where are you going? Is this where you hid last time?
No. Just George ain't going to expect it.
Oh? Oh my gosh, yeah! We hide here. Just chill here. Yeah, oh my gosh, yeah. Chill in the corner. Okay, so.
Looks a bit weird just sitting down in the Ikea.
Yeah, I know.
Not strange.
Oh. Okay, so we found
So guys, we
found a hiding spot.
It's not the best, but... So guys, we just found a hiding spot. It's not the best, but I don't think he's going to find us. Literally where he's counting.
You need to stay out the way.
Mummy.
Come, Jess.
We have James sitting on the toilet, me in the shower. Is there an actual toilet there? Oh, you can... Come back in here, quickly. So guys, I'm actually gonna say I'm gonna announce right now. I'm uploading another video. It'll be out on Sunday. I've been challenged to do this challenge by Louis Raymond. Link will be in the description. Go and watch his video. He done a pickle challenge, so I'm gonna be doing the challenge as well. Taking on a challenge.
Do you guys like my new setup? It's like so sick. It's like I don't even know how much it is. I'm struggling to find them. It's so long. I'm gonna have a look and then I'll be back with you in a bit.
We're literally in one of the most base areas. Look, we're just literally sitting down. Nothing, look, just chilling, look.
Right in there. Oh, I've literally been looking around for like 20 minutes, half an hour probably, and I can't find them.
So we're calling Ronnie right now.
Bundle call.
Is it ringing? Doesn't mean it's ringing. Oh god, he didn't answer. Let me speak.
Hello?
Yo, where are yous?
What?
Wait, no, I'm just asking, cause wait, are you been found yet?
But who's this?
It's Jimmy. Wait, who's this, mate?
Who's this?
Is this not Ronnie?
Ronnie?
Is this not Ronnie?
Who is that?
Oh, don't worry, mate. Don't worry. Bye bye. Wrong call. Wrong man.
What?
Ronnie gave us his number, but yeah, it's the wrong number. Call George. So we've got a little bit adventurous now. We've left the shower.
It's too boring. George is too bad.
We tried to call him.
Look,
but
when
he's
I
not
was
answering.
counting, like, I found everyone in that 4 minutes, but I'm not too.
There's a lot of people here. Hopefully we don't get caught, but we're just gonna look around, try to look for Jess and Ronnie as well. So
Look, we're just at the beginning where he ran. We've been here like most of the time. We was over there. Yeah, we're just literally doing it, just chilling. A little lay down, just chilling.
So right now we're in this little children's tent, as you can see. We're in it, and we're just gonna call George and see if he answers. Go ahead, call him. Oh my god, this is a banger. Is it ringing? Okay, I love you. We've got service. I think we might just move again. So we're all bit up now. We just found these all just saw us, and then we went back to the stairs at the beginning. We gave George a clue. We're gonna go and find a spot where George can't find us at. Have you got any good spots? Yeah, do you want to go and sit on one of these sofas?
I've got for George.
What?
This is so fun.
We're in this posh house now. George, we're just gonna sit here and wait till George finds us because it's been like an hour. We've literally been here for like an hour. Like, so where was you hiding then? Where was you hiding? Give us a glass. Give us a glass. Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Don't even give me
We was hiding below.
We're gonna call George and give him the last clue. Ah, he's gone.
Hello? Yeah. The thing is, basically, we're in like a really posh area where maybe Mr. Burling would be.
I don't know where that is.
Oh, come on, man, it's so easy. You should use your bloody last brain cells. You're where?
We're not in the children's area. Go to the beginning and walk. Maybe you might find us. Oh well, yep. You got to walk past us then.
Exactly.
We're literally sitting in the room, so if you go to all the rooms, you'll find us.
Look at this hiding spot if he comes.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so it's been like an hour and a half since I last recorded. It's been very long. Honestly, he hasn't found us yet, so we're just sitting here chilling. We're all here, having a nice drink. If you want anyone? Yeah, man, that was nice, wasn't it? No. Right, when you get home. When you get you got to drive for 5 minutes.
Oh, yeah, leave that.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I found a pencil case.
Alright, so when George finds us, that will be the next clip. Come here, George! Run! George, you fun. We was in there for so long. We was in there for so long. Unlucky.
The amount I was, you know the other bit over there.
Man, that was sick. All of us, yeah. We found each other at the stairs. We went to the stairs. They were sitting there.
We were sitting
in the shower. That's why he said wet
We
dreams.
ended up sitting in a couch right in front of the stairs and you still didn't find us.
Did I walk past you?
Unlucky, Jules. Your link is at the bottom line of the description because you were so shit. Yeah.
I'm not counting again.
Alright, if you want to see a part 2, then let's hit 15 likes. Yes. Let's go.
That was so sick.
I think we're getting kicked out. The woman's literally speaking to Ronnie. The woman's speaking to Ronnie. Yeah. I think we're getting kicked out, I'm not gonna lie. I think we're getting kicked out. Oh shit, I think we're getting kicked out. Did you get us out?
Yeah, we got to go, come on.
Oh shit. Oh, it's not local Ikea as well. That's actually peak. Oh no. Right, so we just left Ikea. We got kicked out. The boys have went to McDonald's to eat. I was with Jess waiting for her to take the bus. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Let's smash 15 likes on this video, that would be highly appreciated. And see you next one.